Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Yes, the day of love is coming up and I am serving up a really nice and pretty pink based look for you guys. I really like this look because it's really simple, it's really pink, plus you can jazz it up with lashes like I did, or you could just leave it and just wear your mascara and you'll still be looking bomb. So this is a makeup tutorial, really quick, really simple, really straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love for you guys to join me here on the Deola Adebiyi side of the internet. Also, I would love if you clicked on the notification bell so that you can be able to get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. So this Valentine's look is very sweet, very simple, and very pink based. Just getting started by putting a layer of concealer on my eyelids. This will be my primer, and this is the House of Tara Pro Concealer, and this is what I use to prime my eyelids. Before we jump into all the pink, we have to lay down some transition shades. So of course I'm going to be going into the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette, and I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here, which form my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and I'm going to take this shade right here. It looks like pink, but it's brownish, so it's like a mauve. Yes, it's like a mauvey pink. And using this brush, I am going to put that directly into the crease. I'm going to go back with my blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges because that's looking a little harsh. Now I'm going to take a tighter crease brush and I'm going to go into this hot pink right here, and I'm going to apply it into my crease and also the outer V area of my eye. Then of course I have to blend that out with the first pink I used, then blend it out with the first brush I used. This is how you ensure that you have really nice smooth lines and you have a nice blended look and not everything is just blocky. Now for me, I really want the pink to show up in this look. Like, I really want the pink to be there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue adding the pink until I am at a level that I am satisfied with. At this point, you can continue and go on your own and continue with your lid color, but I am really trying to bring the pink because the pink is the only color that we're going to have apart from the lips, apart from like the nude pink lip that we're going to be doing. I really want the pink in the eyes to show, so I'm going to be adding a little bit more pink. For the main lid shade, I actually wanted to use a matte white. So this matte white right here, this is going to contrast really nice with the pink and allow it to really pop. So the reason I wanted a shade like this is because I didn't want this look to be really glitter heavy or really like a heavy look. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I just wanted a really nice, simple, sweet look. What are your Valentine's Day plans, guys? I have no plans. At the time I'm recording this video, I have no plans. If it changes, I'll let you guys know. But till then, it's me, myself, and I. Then I'm going to go back with the brush that I used to apply the pink and blend out right there. Now that I'm done applying my eyeshadows, it's time for some wing liner, and the liquid liner I'm going to be using is the Yanga Beauty Carbon Black liquid liner. Now you can really pump up the drama with the wing. You can go as outlandish as you want. I am just going to go for a nice, simple, sweet wing. Then I'm going to take the Kuti Cosmetics Kajal Auto Liner and I'm going to be applying this black creamy pencil into my waterline. Then of course, mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Mascara Smoky Eyes. Now this look deserves lashes. I've already put glue on my lashes and they're drying right there in the corner. So I'm gonna go put on my lashes and I'll be right back. It took so fucking long to put on these lashes, and even still this lash still looks a bit one kind. I do not know why I'm having so much lash trouble today, but this is what we're working with. Today's foundation, or foundations because I'm mixing foundations, I will be using the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation mixed in with the Zaron Healthy Glow foundation. So I'm going to be applying more of the Lancome then the Zaron. I'm only applying the Zaron foundation for the mattifying property. It's a very, very matte foundation. It's a foundation that you do not, if you do not want to be matte, don't use this foundation. So I'm mixing it on the back of my hand and applying it to my face. To conceal and hide my dark circles, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to be applying this under my eyes, my chin, bridge of my nose, and my forehead. To set all the places that I use concealer, I'm going to be using the Black Opal powder foundation. This is the Ultra Matte Foundation powder. I'll be setting the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing powder. So I am not going to contour today. Instead, I'm going to be using bronzer. And you guys know my favorite go-to bronzer is the Terracotta 4 Seasons bronzer from Guerlain. I'm going to be taking my angled brush and I'm going to be swiping through the dark shades right here to add a little nice warmth to the perimeter. Now I'm going to be adding some blush, and I'm going to be using the blush in the Terracotta 4 Seasons bronzer palette. This adds a really nice flush to the cheeks. To highlight, I'm going to be using the House of Tara Flawless Skin Finishing Powder. I really like this because of the packaging. The packaging is my favorite part of this product. This isn't really a highlighter, as the name said, it's a finishing powder, but it's a finishing powder that has a bit of shimmer to it. I'm using this product to bring a bit of glow to the skin. So it's not like a blinding highlight, it's like a, ooh, she got cheekbones. I'm also gonna apply this product to my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. To finish up my eyes, I'm going to be taking my bullet brush and I'm going to be going into this pink shade that we use, and I'm going to be applying it to my lash line. I'm going to finish it off with some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. Can you guys see how this area just looks like? Can you guys see how this lash is just acting? It's not laid like this, it's like all the way here, and I don't like it. I'm just letting you guys know that I don't like it. This isn't on purpose. This isn't the way it's supposed to look. I'm just telling you guys because if I remove this lash, it's going to take me another 15 to 30 minutes to put it back. But look at this. This is not how it's supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to be. Not like this. Just telling you guys. For the lips, we're going to first start off with the Zaron lip pencil in the shade Mahogany. Then I'm going to apply this YSL lipstick. I don't know the name of this lipstick. It has scratched off the bottom, but it's my favorite new lipstick. And then last but not the least, I'm going to be applying the House of Tara High Shine Lip Stain in the shade Cleopatra. And that is it for today's video and today's look. I really hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed making it, I enjoyed recording this, and I enjoy always creating this kind of content for you guys. If you have any questions about any of the products I use or what I did, please ask me by leaving me a comment below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Oh, do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!